Alright guys, welcome once again. So in our last video, we were able to apply the formula on the board, which is almighty formula, or some people call it quadratic formula, where we say that if we have ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are all constants, then x is equals minus b plus or minus ba squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So again, the proof of this formula is in our previous videos. If you'd like to see that, I'll link that up to this. So now we're able to apply that to solve a problem, and I promised we are going to solve one more problem. So I want to have 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 equals 0. So if you want to approach this, again, we are going to say a is equals 5, and that is comparing our equation with the generic form of our quadratic equation. So a is equals 5, b is equals 13, and c is equals minus 6. So applying this formula, we are going to have x is equals minus our b is 13 plus or minus square root of 13 square minus 4 times our a is 5 multiplied by minus 6 all over 2 multiplied by 5. So applying this, we should see that our x becomes, so we just simplify and have x is equals minus 13 plus or minus roots. This is 169, that is 13 square minus 4 times 5 becomes 20 times 6 becomes 120, but because we have 2 minus, it's going to give us a plus 120 all over 10. So this becomes minus 13 plus or minus roots 169 plus 120 is going to give us 289 all over 10. So if we solve further, we have x is equals minus 13 plus or minus roots. Okay, so roots 289 is 17. So let's just have that right away. Plus or minus 17 all over 10. So this is gonna give us minus 13 plus, so we have minus 13 plus 17 over 2, or minus 13 minus 17 over 2. So again, if we evaluate this, we're going to be having minus 13 plus 17 is going to give us 4 over 10, or minus 13 minus 17 is going to give us minus 30 all over, oh sorry, this is not 2, this has always been 10 all over 10. So this becomes 2 over 5 or negative 3. So we can plug that back to the equation to check, just like we did earlier. Plugging that back to our equation, our original equation becomes 5x. So our x is 5, so we're gonna have 5 into 2 over 5 square plus 13 into 2 over 5 and minus 6. So if we evaluate this, we are going to be having 5 into 4 all over 25 plus 13 into 2 over 5 minus 6. Well guys, let me just leave you to attempt this. So evaluate this on your own and post that in the comment section. So evaluate for the two of them and be sure that this and this are the solutions of our problem. So thank you. Let's not make this video longer.